Euclid's 24th proposition says that if we are given two triangles such that two of the corresponding sides are equal, but one of the angles, that is angle CAB, is greater than angle FDE, then CB is going to be greater than FE. Somewhat similar we have seen in one of the previous propositions, but there we were talking of a single triangle. Within a triangle, we were saying that the largest angle will subtend the largest side. Here we have two triangles. Okay, let's see how we prove this going forward. Okay, let's mark this angle. CAB is larger than FDE, right? CAB is greater than FDE. Now, let's define a point in such a way that that point and E, the distance between that point and E, is the same as CB, and the angle formed at D is equal to this angle. Okay, so keeping center as E, let's draw a circle of radius BC, and keeping center as D, let's draw a circle of radius AB. Now these two intersect at 2 points. We are interested in only 1 point. Let's take this and let's name it as G. Now remember here, GE is equal to CB. Let's hide these two circles since we don't need these circles anymore. Now let's join GD. Now let's join GF and GE as well. GE, GF. Now remember, we have to prove that this FE is less than CB, or in other words, BC is greater than FE. That is what we have to prove. Angle GDE is equal to angle CAB. That is how the construction was done. Now let's take it step by step and see how we can prove that BC is greater than FE. Now, see here, angle FGD is equal to DFG. Angles opposite to equal sides. Okay. Now, FGD is greater than FGE. Why? Because FGD is equal to FGE plus EGD. So, we have shown that angle DFG is greater than FGE. Angle EFG is greater than DFG. Why? Because again, EFG is equal to EFD plus DFG, because DFG is a part of EFG. So EFG is greater than DFG. Now, DFG appears in both the inequalities. So we can combine them and say that EFG is much greater than angle FGE. Think about it. So since this is the larger angle, the side opposite to that angle is going to be the larger side. So that means GE is greater than FE. Now the last step. GE is greater than FE, but GE is equal to BC. That means we can do the substitution and say BC is greater than FE. So that is proposition 24. Again, let me remind you, there is a PDF book available for download. Link I have provided in the video description. You can download it, refer to it, share it, in which I describe all the 48 propositions of book 1 of Euclid's Elements. That's it for now.